Okay, make I tell you some mistake wey some women dey make before dem marry. Number one, if you be person wey no like man wey dey smoke, you no like am say man wey dey smoke I no like am, man wey dey drink I no like am, I no wan marry man wey dey drink, and later you come jam dat kind of man wey dey smoke and im still dey drink, you understand, and you yourself like dat man, you love am, you love dat man say oh I wish dis man can be my husband, and later the man say im want to marry you. You see oh, drink. Now you wan accept say you go marry the man. You go dey think for your mind say if you don marry the man go come change, e no go come dey smoke again, e no go come dey drink again. You see your mistake now. The thing wey you suppose to stop before you marry, if you see am say the person no stop, just help you carry your bag and your cloth comot and look for another person wey you know say you dey comfortable with. As you dey change the man, oh stop drink, I cannot stop smoking and drinking, katakata don come. Another one, you dey date the man and the man na womanizer, im dey carry woman, e dey carry woman you know, and the man go ask you say you go marry me, you go say yey I go marry you, and later when e don marry you for house, the same thing wey im dey do, you go start doing it, and you come dey complain, oh my husband na womanizer, and you know for the beginning say dat man dey do dat thing, for you to let dat man just go jejeje and find the one wey you know say if you marry you go get peace. Some of dem go see dat kind of man say e get money, dem no go let dat man go. At the end of the day, dem go like to control the man say you must stop, you must stop. No, you cannot control dat kind of man oh, you cannot try am. E go tell you say before I marry you, you don already know say I dey do am. So the thing wey you no fit stop, the time wey two of una dey date, so una don marry, wey don carry put for house, dey think say you go fit stop you go fit stop am. No, never. Anything dat man cannot stop when e dey date am, if e don marry am, if e don marry you put for house, e no go fit stop am again. And another one again, you and the man una dey date and the man don dey beat you, any small thing don give you slap for your face, pam, any small thing don pam, any small thing don give you for your eye, pam, your eye don swell up, swell up, you go still come pet you, oh babe sorry, and dat kind man, he come ask you tomorrow say babe will you marry me, you go say yes I will marry you darling, and when you don marry you put for house, the man don dey panam beat you, you go come dey cry, justice for me oh, my husband wan beat me oh. The time wey una dey date, you see am korokoro eye, the man dey beat you, the man dey beat you, you no fit use your brain say dis man wey e no stop the time wey two of us dey date now, dis thing wey e dey do so, e go still dey do am oh. You no stop, you continue, you marry, and tomorrow you come dey cry. And another again, you know say e get some men wey dem like to insult family, dem go dey insult your papa and your mama. Dat man no just started doing it when una don marry, no, before una marry, dat man don dey insult your parents, e don dey insult your family, but na you like to chook your head there. After you don enter, so now you are expecting that the man will not insult your family again, na lie oh. Na dat time, mostly if dat man get money, na the man na im dey pay all the whole bill, na the man na im dey do everything for you. Forget oh, your parents na im go dey good morning wey the man go dey do every morning. You know, anytime wey you talk anything, na your parents na im you go direct her to. So before you marry, you see dat bad character wey dat man get, if you know say you no go fit endure am, no enter the marriage oh. Dat character wey the man get wey una dey date, or dat character wey dat man get, No expect am say if una don marry the man go change. The man will not change oh. E will even increase. If you don born for the man, as a woman, me I know woman go dey come dey consider so many things for the marriage. If I go now, what about my children? The man come marry another woman, e come dey punish my children. Like you understand, the woman come dey consider so many things. E no go make am leave that marriage. You see, let me tell you one thing, na advice na I dey tell you. Anything wey you know you no go fit live with don enter. If you see the man, even though you love am, you don know that thing wey e dey do. If you marry am, e go cause problem. No go. No go. Or if e promise you, oh no worry babe, I will change am oh, don't go. One thing, may God continue to give us more wisdom and knowledge and understanding. So watch out for the part two. I'm going to talk about